How to sign up for my lead affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for my lead affiliate program. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click on the link, you will land on this page. If you want to make some extra cash by promoting my leads, a leading platform for generating leads, you are in the right place. Let's begin by understanding what MyLeads affiliate program is all about. It's a program that allows you to earn commissions by referring customers to MyLeads. Whenever someone you refer signs up and becomes a paying customer, you'll earn a commission. It's simple and effective way to monetize your presence. So now let's sign up for the affiliate program. Once you click on the link, you land on this page. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the affiliate program or partner link. So here is the option for affiliate programs. Let's click on it. On the affiliate program page, we'll usually find a sign up or join now button. Click on it to begin the application process. Now you need to click on register. Then you will be directed to the My Leads affiliate application form. Provide your personal information, including your name, email, website or platform URL, and your PayPal email for commission payout. You can start free registration and you can also continue with your Google Facebook account. The third step is to provide account personal information. Once you provide your account personal information, you can submit the application. Carefully review the information you have entered to ensure it's accurate. Click the Submit or Join button to send your application. After submitting your application, MyLeads will review it. Approval typically takes a few business days, so keep an eye on your email for updates. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email notification granting you to access MyLeads affiliate dashboard. In your dashboard, you will find a unique affiliate link, marketing materials, and detailed reports on your referral and earning. This is how you can sign up for My Leads affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.